Which of the following has the highest boiling point? We have potassium chloride in water, carbon chloride, ethanol in water, and water. The highest boiling point among these four is potassium chloride in water. Why? This is because carbon is already close to being gas and ethanol is being close to gas, except it's added with water. And water compared to potassium chloride in water evaporates faster. This is because there's nothing inside the water and it's just water itself. Which of the following is non-volatile? We have honey, paint thinner, rubbing alcohol, and acetone. Among the four mentioned, it would be honey. Why? In chemistry, the term non-volatile refers to a substance that does not readily evaporate into gas under existing conditions. So we can easily see the difference and remove acetone, paint thinner, and rubbing alcohol from the list because they're almost turning to gas. And did you know that if you leave honey idle in room temperature, it would turn into a solid or somewhat kind of a solid? That just shows how non-volatile honey can be. On a severely cold night with temperatures below freezing point, a farmer is afraid that all his fruits in the cellar will be frozen. So the farmer prepared a tub of water and placed it in the cellar. What do you think is gonna happen? Well, there are four possible scenarios that would happen. One is that the water as it freezes will give off heat to the fruits. When the water freezes, it absorbs the heat in the fruits. The water will probably freeze inside the cellar before the fruits. And lastly, the farmer makes a mistake since the water will ultimately chill in the cellar. Scenario 1 would actually be the most logical answer to this question. Why? Well, this is because of the process called heat transfer. This can actually be found in firefighters, where it's really dangerous, and this term is called backfiring. I'll show you footage right now to make you understand. The heat has no choice but to go somewhere else. That's why the heat transfers to the fruits when the water froze. Which statement here is false? Molecular weight does not influence the boiling point and melting point of a substance. Molecular weight and boiling point tend to increase with molecular weight. Molecular weight and boiling point tend to decrease with molecular weight. The false statement would be statement number 1. Why? Due to the increased molecular bonding in bigger molecules, there will be more bonds that need to be broken. Therefore, the greater the molar mass, the greater the melting point. And that is why the first statement is false. Which of the following forms a hydrogen bond? We have hydrofluoride, hydrosulfide, hydrosulfide, and hydrochloride. The answer would be hydrogen fluoride. Why? Before we get there, to know why it is a hydrogen bond, we first need to understand what a hydrogen bond is. A hydrogen bond is a special type of dipole-to-dipole attraction between molecules, not a covalent bond to a hydrogen atom. It results from the attractive force between a hydrogen atom covalently bonded to a very electronegative atom, such as fluorine, and that is why it's hydrogen fluoride.